Hello you guys, this is king.a.my.castle, also known as King of the Queen. So today I've decided to do a 60s inspired makeup. I actually got inspired particularly by Twiggy because I always loved her makeup, and I just never had a chance to do it because it's not a makeup that I would wear on a daily basis. But today I've decided I really want to give it a go. If you want to learn how to do this makeup, please carry on watching this video. I hope you're gonna love it. Hello you guys, so today we're going to start with a face, and to this I need to pin my hair. And the first product that I'm going to use is the Becca Blacklight priming filter, primer or whatever. There we go. Just gonna apply it with our fingers. From what I looked on those 60s makeup is the face is usually matte. There's not much light on the face, and this primer is actually quite highlighting, but the reason why I'm using this is because it's very good and it makes the foundation work quite well. As a foundation, we're going to use Huda Beauty foundation. So we're going to use the Huda Beauty on the sponge. Now we're going to move on to use the concealer. And then, as usual, my favorite concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. I like it so much that I'm almost run out of it. Sorry I'm looking on the left, but I'm just looking at the pictures. Lovely. And then we're just going to use the sponge again. So we're gonna apply the powder, and it's the loose powder translucent high definition invisible powder from H&M. I've bought this powder on sale a few months ago. So I just looked at the pictures. There is quite a lot of the blush, not much of a contour with a bronzer. So now we're going to move on to blush. For the blush, I'm going to be using Bourjois blush in shade Rose deJaspe. I think that's how you pronounce it. So we're going to use it in here. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of contour. A little bit. Yeah. And I'm just looking at the pictures on my laptop. They do have a little bit of highlighter on their nose, so we're gonna do that now. We're going to use the brush from Real Techniques, and it's the brush for your eyes, but we're going to use it for our nose. So as a highlighter, I'm going to use my Becca, oh hello, we're going to use my Becca eyeshadow palette, but this eyeshadow palette is basically their highlighters turned into eyeshadows. So we're using this one actually. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. So the main point of this makeup is just the line that really highlights your eyelid crease. Some of them are a little bit higher, some of them are thicker, some of them are blended, and some of them is like a very straight up line made with an eyeliner. And another thing that I really like about those makeup, and I'm gonna do it, is the eyelashes on your lower eyelid, because it's such an iconic look and it's such an iconic style. So we're definitely gonna do the line in our eyeliner with our eyeliner, and we're gonna draw some fake eyelashes on our lower lid. And we're going to start with the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Corrector. I use it as a eye primer, eyeshadow primer. It's very good. So I'm using it for that purpose. For our eyelid, we're going to use that white eyeshadow in here. Because it has to be white. Okay, now it's going to be the hardest bit, the one that freaks me out the most. So we're going to start with doing a line, and to do that look, we're going to use a Tarte Kitten eyeliner. So first of all, I'm gonna outline where my cut crease is. I think it's there. You have to do it with an open eye though. The reason why I'm using a eye crayon rather than an eyeliner, a gel eyeliner or liquid eyeliner, is because they dry and it's gonna be harder to smudge them. Okay, well, let's do the brush. Let's use the brush to do so. Maybe that will be better. Yeah. I think I might add this eyeshadow in here. I'm going to use. And I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula a highlighter palette. It looks a little bit like Bobbi Brown highlighter palette, and let's see if that gives it better effect. Much better. Much better! Yes! This is exactly what I'm looking for. Like super white eyeshadow. Then we're gonna blend a little bit into here. And a little bit here. Okay, now we're going to apply the eyeliner on like a regular eyeliner, but this eyeliner, instead of having a wing up, it's going to have a wing down. And the eyeliner that I'm using is my favorite Wow Grow Big Tin Infused Liquid Eyeliner from AA Wings of Color. It goes down like that. Wow, it actually starts looking like a 60s makeup. Yes, queen. So that's my makeup. I'm not sure if I'm going to apply the fake eyelashes. So let's apply the mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multifying Volume Mascara. And now we're going to move on to painting the eyelashes. Now we're going to move on to eyebrows. We're going to use a deep brow pomade. I'm content with an eyebrows. I think we're going to move on to lips. From what I see on the pictures, their lips are very, very natural, very nude. So no crazy colors on your lips. So the lipstick that I'm going to be using is a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. It's a mini version, and the shade of it is Lovesick, but you can buy it in a bigger version. The reason why I have a smaller version is because I bought like a set of 6 of them. And so I'm going to use that. That's the lipstick. You're going to use a lip gloss. Oh, the lip gloss that I'm using is Dior lip gloss in a shade. It's Dior Addict Ultra Gloss in the shade 363 Nude. That's what's up. I just realized we could have finished this look on this, but I've just found a new, like, loads of other pictures of Twiggy, and I realized she does have very heavy eyelashes. Like, her actual eyelashes are pretty thick, so I think I'm going to apply fake eyelashes. The one that I'm using is it's called Volume False Eyelashes Glue from Primark. I always use eyelashes from Primark. Okay, and I'm gonna go and do the other line. So that's how as I said, the glue is still drying, but this is how the makeup looks like. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, give me some comments. I know it wasn't the easiest and smoothest of my videos, but this is the first time I'm doing it, and I think it's worth to see that this makeup, even though it looks pretty simple, it really isn't. And maybe you have the same struggles while you try to do 60s makeup. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, give my channel a subscription, hit the bell button next to it so that YouTube will send you the notification of my future videos, and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.